5 business skills you need in 2020. In 2020 we're seeing more changes in businesses than ever before, and to succeed and excel in business, you need to be appropriately skilled. If you're looking to improve yourself so you can thrive in business in 2020, these are the skills you need to master. 1. Problem solving. Problem solving is one of the key skills of business. Whatever your job role, industry or company is, we all come across problems and challenges at some point in our career. The way you handle those problems is what makes good business and is a key skill that is transferable across the job market. 2. Communication. In a year like 2020, communication is everything. Anyone who wants to succeed in the world of business needs to be able to communicate clearly and effectively in any medium and to any audience. You might need to talk to your team members, suppliers for your business, potential investors and clients or customers. You need to be confident communicating via email, in a face-to-face meeting, or on a phone call. For people entering the workforce who aren't confident with emails. 3. Adaptability. Businesses need to be adaptable in 2020 more than they have ever before. Problem solving is a similar skill, but being a chameleon in business is what will make you a success. Maybe your business pivots to a different product, or a different marketing style, or even a new office. New team members create new dynamics, as do new managers and management styles, and a good team member adapts to these changes. 4. Delegation and management. Delegation goes hand in hand with management, but it's not always the exclusive responsibility of managers. If you're part of a team and you step up to take the lead on a project, you need to know how to delegate all the tasks involved in the project to the rest of your team. You don't need to know all the strengths and weaknesses of the team, but you need to be able to ask the team and get decisive answers from them about what aspects of the project they're confident to tackle themselves. 5. Leadership. Leadership is really all these skills put together. A leader needs to be able to solve problems, they need to communicate with their team and with stakeholders, they need to adapt and help their team adapt, and they need to be able to manage and delegate to their team. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. Please like and share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Good luck.